Hi everyone. This video we are going to discuss about. So what is the scope of RPA in the upcoming years? Actually RPA has started at 2012 and they are slowly from 2012 onwards 2019 within the 7 years RPA is one of the hot and hot skill around the world. But from 2020 onwards only RPA will not work, and if you know the RPA tools like Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism and UiPath, these or else Beggar Robotics, this will not help to survey you better in RPA world. So now the RPA is a secondary skill. So you have to make your primary skill like Python or language or else ML tools. So when we talk about Python, RPA has already integrated most of the Python tools into RPA, which has Pandas libraries, Spark, Anaconda libraries. So these kind of libraries already included in RPA tools like UiPath and Blue Prism, as well as now they are planning to start in Automation Anywhere as well. Mega Robotics as well they are planning to start. But the thing is, why people are moving ahead of Python or else Windows, Azure or cloud? Because Python has all the APIs as well as integrated libraries as a open source library. So using Python, you can calculate all the data related stuffs, data science. See, if you have R language as well, the same functionality it will work. But in the upcoming years, only RPA tools will not survey in the market. The RPA with machine learning, RPA with Python, RPA with R language. So in that case, RPA tools coming to secondary level. The first level will be the scripting languages like Python or R languages and some data science tools, machine learning tools, Google Dialogflow tools. So these kind of tools coming into first part instead of RPA. So now the world is moving again with machine learning and artificial intelligence. So everything the base would be RPA, but only base will not work. So if you move with Windows, Azure, a cloud is very important for upcoming artificial intelligence world. If you're learning very well in Windows, Azure, that is your primary skill, you can easily move in machine learning. If you are in so main thing is you have to integrate. The integration part is very important. Maybe API integration, maybe the integration of libraries, maybe the integration of code. So this type of integrated environment is important in the world of RPA. Now the RPA is moving ahead with the integrated environment like scriptings, libraries, APIs. So these are all the things are integrated. So in that integrated environment, now moving ahead with machine learning. So all the RPA who want to learn RPA, the first you have to learn scripting languages as like Python. Python is very easy and simple when you have some basic knowledge on C or C sharp languages. So in next video we can start with Python basics, how we can start with the dictionaries, libraries, how we can integrate at APIs, these kind of concepts with Python. Thanks guys, thanks for watching this.